Hello everybody, this is Nick Simpson from JustTrafficProfit.com. This is the fourth video in the series of creating a SEO friendly web page. And we stopped on structure the last video, and I'm going to pick right back up. There's a couple things I forgot or really just didn't get to. We only get 10 minutes on YouTube. We can't go any longer. So hopefully it's going to be a little shorter for you guys. And real quick, I just wanted to say I'm having a lot of fun with this series, and we're going to do a lot more videos on this. So if you guys like what we're putting out here, please subscribe, the top right over there. And if you got questions, comments, or whatever, comment down below. Leave us some stars if you like what we got here, guys. Folder structure, one thing that I did not say is that super deep folder structures are also no good, guys. If you have a lot of topics, you need to break them down into a wide variety and then bring them into a focus with your folder structure. But you don't want 20 levels deep in one folder structure. They do not want deep nesting of folders. And this is the example they show there, guys. And that's in the do nots. And it says also, do not use directory names that have no relation to the content. And guys, I've said it 50 times already. Be honest, and your listings will be good for it. If you are being deceptive, you will pay for it. And that's pretty straightforward, guys. There's no way around that. You got to do this thing right. You can't try to trick it. It doesn't work. And you can spend the rest of your life trying to trick Google. I'm going to play by their rules, and I'm going to get my pages listed in the top 5 all day long. I suggest you do the same, guys. Okay, and it's talking about the Google crawling the site, and I've said the words spider and bot. I've said this a few times, and I wanted to tell you guys. I had someone ask me, what in the heck are you talking about? And all these are programs that run on Google server or any search engine server, and they look at websites to see what information is there, and they call that crawling your site as they look through your web pages and your files. Text links are the only way to go, guys. You can have a fancy, cool, photoshopped up website with the neatest looking pictures in the world, except the problem is, guys, these spiders cannot see the picture. I mean, they can see the picture, but they don't know what it is. They're not human, okay? If you have a picture that says home and a word that says home, the spider can see the word, it can't see the picture. It doesn't know what it is. There are alt tags. If you have to use images for links, guys, you must use alt tags. That associates text with a picture and helps spiders. Spiders will not find alt text as valuable as regular text. So it's important that you use text at any cost if you can. If your site design does not allow it, I apologize, because you probably should have chosen a different site design, but just make sure to use your alt tags, and that will kind of heal the wound there a little bit, guys. Pictures are just not good for links in general, so if you can avoid it, do that, guys. I mean, they're just no good. Same thing for flash videos, any media. Unless you can put text before it or around it, or the link below, it's not as helpful, guys. I don't know how else to say it. And it says avoid complex webs of navigation. It says don't go overboard slicing and dicing content. It takes 20 clicks to get to one thing. It's no good. Basically, what you want your website to act like is you. Your homepage says, hello, my name is Nick. I'm a web designer. I play around with SEO. What do I have to offer? Well, I have some web templates, okay, and I have some SEO tips. And the viewer says, oh, you have some web templates. Cool. I would like some web templates. Is it easy for them to carry on this conversation with your website? Can they find the link to the templates if that is what you're offering them? Making your site function like this, like I'm talking about, will help you in so many ways. I don't even know where to start describing it, but if you can go to a website and see what they're about, understand what they're trying to convey to you, and find the information you're looking for, that is a kick but website. Okay, guys, that's what you want. You want something where people can come there, they know what you're about right off the bat. If they're not interested, they're gone. But that's the point, guys. You don't want to keep them around trying to figure out what you're doing, and all they're going to do is get frustrated, and all you're doing is wasting bandwidth on your server. Okay, you want people that want what you have, and you want to be able to show them how to get what they want on your site. And that has a lot to do with your folder structure, your linking structure, and everything we've been talking about in the past video and this one as well, guys. I'm sorry, I'm already 5 minutes deep, and I'm going to move on to the topic of this video, which is really short, guys. This video is actually about the site map. Okay, a site map is nothing more than an XML file. Generally, could be other types, but an XML file that tells these search spiders where to look and where not to. Do follow and no follow tags. Go ahead and Google that. Do follow, no follow. Those tags are also on page directions for spiders to say don't look at this link or do look at this link. And that's a whole nother ballgame, guys. I don't have time to get into that now. I'm sorry, but if you want more on that, ask me. But a sitemap basically is a file that tells search engines, here's a map of every page on our site. This is what we have. Look at this information. Okay, if you have a member site, or if you have a site that has confidential data information on it, if you sell things, if you have a store, if you have anybody's personal email address or information or address that should not be public information, number one, you should have end user's license agreement that states that this information will not be disclosed, and you need to follow up on that by making it not disclosed even to search engines, guys. Using your sitemap, you can tell search engines, do not look here. This data is not for you. It is not to be public. You need to do that, guys. If people are trusting you, you need to be trustworthy to them. I know this honesty thing is a recurring theme, but guys, it's a recurring theme in life, let alone in what we're doing with SEO here and building an SEO-friendly web page. Okay. Now, if you need to make a sitemap, get a hold of me. I'll help you out. If you're using Joomla, WordPress, or many of these CMS apps, CMS stands for Content Management Systems. These are just really cool scripts that help you run a web page, is what they are, guys. Most of these have a plugin that will create a sitemap for you. If not, go to Google and type Google Sitemap Creator. There's 100 guys that have created these. Google finally got tired of everybody making some that worked, some didn't. Google made their own sitemap creator. It's free. It's on the Google. Yeah, it's on Google. It's Google Sitemap Creator. Go check it out, guys. It's free. Download it, run it. It'll make a sitemap. Go to Google Webmaster Tools. Search Google Webmaster Tools, or actually in Google right now, if you search just Webmaster Tools, there are links to first one. Okay. Use this. It will take your sitemap. It will index your pages. You can tell it what to do. You can look at analytics. You can see how your site is being indexed, what search phrases you are being found for, and a plethora of other information that is totally free. If you're not using this, guys, you're missing it. I mean, this is a super tool, and Google has it out there for free, guys. I mean, you need to get on this. Google Webmaster Tools, Google Sitemap Creator, if I can get them out. These tools are money in the bank. They're worth thousands and they cost you nothing. Go out and get them, use them, and you're gonna see the difference in your results. I will be following up on this video with another. In the next video, guys, we're going to cover probably a couple topics, but we're going to start talking more about on-page content. Okay, and what that means is what words are on your website, and are they helping your search engine results or are they hurting it? We're going to cover that in video 5, guys. And again, please give us the stars. Excuse me, and please subscribe. We got a bunch more of these videos coming. Like I said, we got 40, 50 videos out there already. All of our information is free, and we really, truly hopefully, are helping people with this information. And again, if we're not, let me know, and I will get whatever information it takes to make our information helpful to you. Okay, thank you for watching our video. This is Nick Simpson from JustTrafficProfit.com. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.